Hello, ladies. Look at your man. Now back to me. Now back at your man. Now back to me. Sadly, he isn't me. But if he stopped using lady-scented body wash and switched to Old Spice, he could smell like he's me. Look down. Back up. Where are you? You're on a boat with the man your man could smell like. What's in your hand? Back at me. I have it. It's an oyster with 2 tickets to that thing you love. Look again. The tickets are now diamonds. Anything is possible when your man smells like Old Spice and not a lady. I'm on a horse.
Marketing textbooks will tell you this campaign revived Old Spice. I think that's true, but I don't think it tells the whole story. Because this commercial didn't become legendary because it was funny. It became legendary because it solved a major business problem. Okay, now forget everything you just watched. Because if we only analyze the commercial, we completely miss why it worked. Let's go back to 2010. Old Spice had one thing every marketer dreams about, and that's awareness. Almost everyone knew the brand. Unfortunately, they knew it for the wrong reason. Old Spice wasn't seen as cool, it wasn't seen as modern, and matter of fact, it wasn't even seen as a bad product. It was seen as your dad's body wash, maybe your grandfather's. So what can we conclude out of this? That there was high awareness but low relevance. And that's actually one of the hardest marketing problems to solve. You can launch a new product, you can change the packaging, you can lower the price, but changing what's already inside people's heads, that's expensive. This is called brand revitalization, and Old Spice needed it desperately. Now here's where things get interesting. Most companies would have asked, how do we convince young men to buy Old Spice? But Old Spice asked a completely different question, which was, who actually buys men's body wash? That question, yes, that question not just changed Old Spice as a company, it changed advertising.